Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav on this 2016 BMW 3 Series. So from any screen, we're just on the media at the moment. You've got nav here, which is the bottom right one. That brings up the full display there. And then if you knock it across, if you knock the iDrive across, it highlights these symbols at the side. But if you knock it across again, you've then got the menu, and we want destination input, and you've got destination input, recent destinations, points of interest, and address book, and so on. But we want destination input, and we select by just clicking the iDrive. And then easiest thing to do is the postcode. So turn the iDrive, highlight the postcode, click on the postcode, and then we've got this rotary control. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. Now we need to go to the numbers. The numbers are down here. So that's under further. Hang on, we'll do that again. And just click back. Down to the further characters, click on further characters, click 5. Sorry, you don't have to click 5. Click whatever your postcode is. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS. OK is in the centre there, so if I click OK, it's asking me for a street, but I don't want to put a street in. That's close enough for me. So I just turn the rotary control down to start guidance and click. It's given me 3 choices there. They're all the same. Click on one of them.
Please make a U-turn if possible, and then immediately turn into the second street on the right.
It's asking me to make a U-turn. I'm sat on the forecourt of the garage, which is where we want to go to, so I've confused it.